In this sum, triangle MNP, MQ is the angle bisector. MQ is the angle bisector. So I can write over here directly. I can write MN upon NP. MN upon NP is equal to MQ upon QP. This is my angle bisector theorem. Now the various values has been given in the sum. You can see MN is 5, NP is 7, MQ is 2.5 and QP is not given. So write QP over here. You can cross multiply and get the answer. I can write over here 5 into QP is equal to 2.5 into 7. QP is equal to 2.5 into 7 upon 5. I can write over here, cancel and write 5 5 is 25. So 5 ones are 5 into 3 becomes 0.5. So 0.5 into 7 is 3.5. So 3.5 is my answer for the value of QP. Same type of sums are given in the exercise. This is question number 3. 6 and 8 has to be solved in the same manner. You have to solve. This is the third sum. 6 and 8 has to be solved in the same manner. Fourth sum, it is basically a proof. We have to prove that in a triangle ABC, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. If we want to prove this, first I have to prove that PQ and BC are parallel. If PQ and BC are parallel, then I can then get this by doing BPT. Now, in triangle ABC, over here, in triangle ABC and APQ, angle ABC is equal to angle APQ. Reason, both are 60 degree. Both 60 degree. Since both are 60 degree and they both are in such an angle, then I can get over here by so by converse of corresponding angle test. By converse of corresponding angle test, I will get PQ is parallel to BC. If PQ is parallel to BC, then I can write in triangle ABC, if PQ is parallel to BC, by basic proportionality theorem, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This we want to prove. Hence, prove. This is our proof for that first angles, and by corresponding angle test converse, we will get this as parallel. And then we can prove the lines as parallel, similarly so on. So it is basically easier, but concept should be clear. We can clearly state that over here 9 standard concepts has to be very clear. 9 standard concepts. So we need to again revise it. Fifth sum. In fifth sum, there is a test called as parallel line test, or when 3 lines are parallel. If 3 lines are parallel, you can see the various ratios. So over here, they have given that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to PQ, is parallel to DC, Therefore, by the test of three parallel lines or the test of three parallel lines has been written, solved examples has been given on that. It has to be determined that AB upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. So you can take the values directly substitute over here. AD is how much? 15. PD is how much? 12. BQ we don't know. We have to find it out, and this is 14. You can get directly cross multiply and get the answer upon 12 into 14 is equal to BQ. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 2 1s are 2.5. So therefore BQ is equal to 2.5 into 7 is the value. Multiply and get the answer, because multiplication has to be done by you. Multiply and get the answer. With this third sum we have to solve. Same sum are 6th and 8th in this exercise. Fourth sum is a proof level, and third sum, that is the third, which is the fifth sum which I have done over here, is the normal solving where values has to be written. So these you have to solve. See the solved examples once again properly.